25-18, 25-21 para sa UST. Boy, oh boy, it wasn't really that easy. Hindi ganun kadali para sa UST somehow.
Sobrang nahirapan yung UST doon, lalo na nung inindaan nila yung mga errors nila nung first set. And netong fourth set, nakarecover na tong Letran Knights. Nasosolusyonan nila yung tibay ng net defense netong si Ali. Pero nangibabaw pa rin yung atake ng best player of the game natin.
And he actually delivered the winning point for UST. Albuquerque Sali, our best player of the game. Sa ating V-League.
Tinanong ko rin yan si Vince kung bakit naninibago ako sa performance niya. Pero bago natin pag-usapan si Vince, nakita natin yung atake ni Sali na ibabaw talaga yung daan, yung power, yung elevation na meron tong si Sali. By time to time, nagiging consistent na siya talaga.
Well, they have to play, especially they need a win here. But sa ating tournament format, isang beses mo lang naman makakalaban yung lahat ng mga participants natin dun sa men's division. Yes. And top 4, semifinals kaagad yun.
Kaya lahat ng
2 points up para sa Letran. Here's UST. They managed to get the point of that attack.
Ang effortless na umatake nito ni Sali. Halos hindi na siya gusto talaga maglaro at gustong mag-perform.
Tsaka dito rin nasusukat actually ng mga coaches kung sino yung magiging bahagi ng kanilang regular rotation, di ba? Yes. Dito makikita rin nila kung sa kanilang opening game just last Sunday.
Yung consistency yung kailangan dito solusyonan ng Letran Knights.
So ito na naman si Sali.
Bantay sarado ni Sali yung atake nito ni Siriaco. Gusto ng bumawi. Hindi na pwedeng magbigay pa sila ng unforced error.
And even an opportunity here for UST to take the lead once again. Started off 2-0. Babawi ba? Nope. Still denied. Siriaco, Sali pa rin. Suki.
Back-to-back block points para dito kay Sali. Ang hirap i-challenge. Yung timing.
And just like that, we are deadlocked at 12. Not anymore. As Sali right down the middle.
Pinaalala lang ni Sali na mabigat din yung atake niya. Hindi lang ako sa net defense matibay.
In cuarto earlier with that dig on that attack by G-Boy. Yun lang, naging nice combination for UST right there, and Sali will finish up the point for them.
Walang blocker para kay Sali.
Kaya nga.
Hindi mo naman pwedeng bitawan kahit minsan nga.
Well, I do believe there's still a lot of this adrenaline dahil nga nakuha nila yung second set for UST. And they think that they might be able to do the same thing. Try the 1-2, got blocked right there with Macom.
Rinig na rinig mo yung power ni Sali sa back row.
So, technical timeout with UST up by 2.
Resulta, masisira pa yung momentum nila.
Sali sabi niya, kunin na lang natin yung puntos.
Nang malinis. Unstoppable. Sa harap, sa back row, even sa service area.
That's right,
pupuntos itong si Sali.
Dumidepensa pa yan.
Totoo yan.
Going for block.
Nahihirapan sila dun sa reception, kaya konti lang yung naaatake nila.
And there was, of course, the sterling performance of Sherwin Umandal. He's really making a lot of impact, especially before concluding a set favoring UST. Let's see here in set number 4. This is a long rally that's happening, ended by that attack by Sally.
Down.
Tinatago, ilabas mo na.
Ilabas mo na. Huwag mo nang bigyan pa ng momentum yung kalaban.
Ay, muntik na naman magkalituan that time ang Letran. That could have already been out. Pero yun ang problema eh.
Nagkakaano eh.
Long rally happening here. Okay, Sally back in his element.
Back-to-back dig. Para dito kay Sally, sabay aatake. Lahat ginagawa niya na para sa side ng UST.
Does he have the same kind of magic that Sherwin Umandala has been delivering for 2 sets? The 1-2 sets ng UST here in this match. Daxembao, the serve. Combination for Letran. The dig. Going cross court. And it's in. Si Sally. Sumagaysay trying to break the deadlock here. Let's UST find themselves on top once again. Sally.
Ang hirap pigilan nung atake nito ni Sally. Kahit ni Makam.
Error situation for them. Ducks with a set, trying to be quick about it. G-Boy, ball still in play. Ducks going back set. And 8 for Letran.
Hindi na inisip ng Letran Knights kung ano yung babagsakan nila. Pero eto na.
Yun na yun.
Tinapos na ni Sally.
No more chances, yeah.
Kanina mo pa ba naman bibigay?
Tuldukan na yan. At yun ang ginawa ni Sally rito. 25-18, 25-21 para sa UST. Boy, oh boy, it wasn't really that easy. Hindi ganun kadali para sa UST somehow.
Sobrang nahirapan yung UST doon. Lalo na nung inindaan nila yung mga errors nila nung first set. And netong fourth set, nakarecover na tong Letran Knights. Nasosolusyonan nila yung tibay ng net defense netong Sally. Pero nangibabaw pa rin yung atake ng best player of the game natin.
And he actually delivered the winning point for UST. Albuquerque Sally, our best player of the game.